Do you know where is Windows Movie Maker in Windows 10? If no, then you might not be aware with that. The Movie Maker is no longer available with Windows 10 and 7. But, if you still want to use it on your Windows 10 laptop, then you can download it from the Microsoft official site.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
I'll be chasing colors.
Search Movie Maker for Windows 10 in your browser and click on the search button. Now, go with first link as we are doing here. On the official Microsoft website, click on the big blue Get button that will redirect you to the Microsoft Store. Now, click on the Install button and the downloading process will start on your system.
6.5 hours later.
You can also see your download progress in your library section. And after getting done with the installation process, close the Microsoft Store on your computer. Now, you can easily access Movie Maker from System Search Bar area as we are doing here. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe us to get more Windows solutions like this.